Hi, my name is Archie from NoteForms. NoteForms is a form builder integrated with Notion, which will offer you advanced form features. Notion has its own form builder. It's easy to use, straightforward, and will provide you basic form features. However, it doesn't have advanced security features, which NoteForms would really stand out, such as adding Captcha into your form. This is very helpful, especially if you would like to avoid bot or spamming on your form. So it's an additional security feature. So here we have a sample survey form, but we will use this and try it out as a user. So let's just say your first name is Joe. You have selected one on the select input field in the sample phone number. Then you go next and you select the first option and skip this input field. Let's just say we give 5 out of 5 rating on our experience. Select the first option on the select input field, click next. And let's just say this is a sample from Mission. Before we can submit, we need to verify or confirm that we're not a bot. There you go. You can submit it as easy as that as a user. But again, the benefit of this feature is it will filter out bot submissions. And let me walk you through how to do this on your form. So log into your NoteForms account, go to your form, click the edit form on the upper right side, and go to the settings section, and then select security and access on the left side. In the security and access, you can enable bot protection. And you even have the option to select it as reCaptcha or a Captcha. So there you go. As easy as that, you can enable Captcha into your forms as an added security feature. Hoping this video helps. If you still had any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us via live chat support, and we will be happy to answer a question. Again, my name is Archie, and thanks so much for